Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So I decided to do some passion twists yesterday and I did them, and I mean it's my first time ever trying passion twists, so I thought I'd share with you what I did and then we can all decide at the end if we like this video. I used these. So I got these on Amazon, 8-inch I think. I'm also going to use my Oz edge control just to make sure that my hair stays in place, and my black hair food. So I'm going to show you how I did it. So when I separated my hair, I used lines going to the back, so you can separate your hair whichever way you want. And let's get started.
Watching the ocean with you, baby, up with a slow motion crew, and we up in our clouds when people change, but not us. And we just chillin', kicking it, kissed by the sun. Could be soaked to the skin in the mall soon. I know she got the good vibes when seasons change, but we're the same.
I'm going to take my hair and then I'm going to run my fingers through it.
Even if I lost all my money, the zero runs deep, honey. And I don't need to speak a single word, cause you got me holding, holding. Even if my jokes aren't funny, my tongue tied up on it. And I don't need to speak a single word, cause you got me holding, take it in real life like haiku. I know we got the good vibes when pieces fall right into place. Even if I lost all my money, the zero runs deep, honey. And I don't need to speak a single word, cause you got me holding, holding. Even if my jokes aren't funny, my tongue tied up on it. And I don't need to speak a single word, cause you got me holding, holding.
So now that I'm done, because of the style that I got the braid in, the moment I let go, it's going to start curling back inside, but this is how it looks. And then after a while, it's going to start curling back, so it's going to get shorter because it's meant to be short. So that's basically how I did it, and that's how it looks. It doesn't really have like a big knot at the beginning, so that's basically just how I did it. I'm going to do another one, just this one. So this one I'm going to explain how I did it. Remember, this is not a tutorial. Basically what I did is I'm going to first just do a braid. I'm just going to braid it a little bit so that when I hold it with my, because it's with my braid, it's going to be easy, and it's going to be, so I'm going to just braid it and make sure that the braid is from the beginning, like right at my scalp, so that I don't leave any space. And then once I braid it just a little bit, so now I have braided it. Once I braid it just a little bit, then I take my braid, my passion twist, and then I do this. I run my thumb through it basically. So I do it from the top. That's what I do. I don't do it from the bottom, but if you want to, you can. I go to the hair. This is the one. So I'm going to come right on the top of the hair, like that. And then use the hair. I'm going to use the hair and this to make a braid. after I'm okay with the braid, if I think that the braid is held on, then I take my hair and I put it into 2 separate parts. So this is my hair, and then I'm going to separate it into 2 like that, and then I start twisting. So this is how they look. These are the ones that I just did. This is how they look. So if you straighten them out, they're just regular twists. And then later on, after they have, like, if you give them time to settle down, then they're going to start looking like this. So they'll curl up and then they'll look shorter. So this one is now curled. If you make it straight, it's long, and then it curls back. So that's how they are going to look. And this is how mine look. To be quite honest, because this is my first time, I think I did quite well. I'm very pleased with myself. I'm using this quarantine to learn to take care of my own hair and do my hair, and I think I did well. I don't know what you guys think. Please let me know in the comment section down below. And if you want to see some pictures of me once I glam up in this, you can check out my Instagram. And as you can see, I don't really have much edges, but yeah, if you have edges, you can also make sure that you just lay your edges. I literally don't have baby hairs. I don't have much baby hairs, but this is how they look, and I'm very pleased with them myself. And I was good enough to make some straight lines, so I think they look good. They kind of look, I don't know how I feel about the ends. Please let me know in the comment section down below. Do you really like this color at the bottom, or should I cut it off? I'm thinking of cutting it off because I don't really like it. I don't know how I feel about it actually. I think it kind of makes me look old. I don't know. But anyway, so this is how I did my passion twist for the first time, and I'm very happy with the results. And I feel like I did well even in holding my knots. Also, if you don't want to just hold your hair with if you don't want to hold your hair down the way I did with first making braids with your natural hair, the other alternative is using rubber bands. I actually used rubber bands on a few, but then I didn't really like it, so I started using this method instead, and it turned out well. This is how it turned out, and I feel like it did quite well because I have never done my hair before, and this is actually the first time of me doing passion twist on my hair, and I did it in one day, less than one, like how many hours? 5 hours. Yeah, it took long for me. And I also I ordered mine from Amazon, so they come in a packet looking like this, and I managed to only use 2, so there isn't a lot of them, so it's very lightweight. And yeah, if you want to try it out during this quarantine time, I would advise you to. This is the time to learn to do things for yourself. I'm doing my own nails, I'm doing my own hair, I'm doing my makeup. It's very much fun. So if you like it, please leave a like down below. Let me know what you think in the comment section down below. If you know how to do hair and you've got some advice for me, please let me know. And please do not be mean. You can still give your opinion without being mean, and I truly appreciate you. God bless you, and I hope you are staying safe during this quarantine, and I hope that this gives you something to do. Remember, I don't know what to do. I didn't know how to do my hair, but I managed to make something. I mean, it's cute or whatever. And then, so yeah, please let me know what you think in the comment section down below. Leave a like, leave a comment, and subscribe to my channel. I truly appreciate you, and God bless you, and goodbye. Bye.